Hello guys, this is the Coxotec DB686 curing light nano model, which I just received today. I paid about $150 for it, shipping included, and I'm going to unbox it with you. So this is a double function, both curing light and carriage detector, and you can select the function by rotating the handle on the bottom. This is the user manual, we'll be reading this later. And it does feel premium, I will tell you. It does feel very premium. So this is a in-head LED version, all made of aluminium, or aluminum as you would say. And the batteries are interchangeable. There are two batteries with it, so while you use one you have the other one ready in case the first one discharges, and you place the battery inside and rotating the battery, and you select which contacts it will power on. So it will power on either the curing light or the carriage detector light. Okay, so right now it is off. This is in curing light mode. This is in carriage detection mode. Carriage detection. Curing light. Yes, it's definitely stronger. Carriage detection. Curing light. Basically, carriage detection appears just like a softer curing light mode. We will see during practice if it pays off. And now let's unpack the charging base. Oh, nice. I don't think they are rated, and in fact they are not rated. There's no etching near telling the OD value of the glasses, so they're just plain orange glasses. Some disposable covers, the charger, and I suppose the base must be under here, yes. Quite heavy. They must have placed, as in Chinese tradition, some pieces of metal inside, because it feels heavy. Not only being premium feel, but also because I think it must be heavy to hold the light in place if you keep it straight up like this. Interesting to note that unless you turn it off from the turning handle, it will stay lighted up, which will in turn consume battery. I don't like this very much. I would expect some sort of auto turn off function. I think the sensor won't function unless I connect the power, so let's connect the power to the base. By the way, it's got a CE brand. And I suppose you place them like this to charge them up. Oh, it's got a magnesium filling to it. So if you snap it on, it will just snap in place because there's a magnet inside pulling the battery in its place. Nice. Let's check the detector. Okay. I don't see how it is useful. I mean, shouldn't it tell you how strong it is? Powerful curing light, it turns green. And now it just occasionally turns orange, just occasionally. So I suppose it is activated on minimum power, after which the LED will turn green. Also, look at the shield. It kind of makes it look ugly. Functional though, but yes, ugly. I don't think I will be using it. There's 3 total. Wait a minute. Just see how cool it is. Wow. Again. And then, luck. It's gone. Bye again.